Welcome back to Quiz Face. Can you guess the food in 3 seconds? Let's find out with these 100 popular foods and meals. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Face channel for more exciting quizzes. All right, let's go. Fish and chips. First question, can you name this food? Philly cheesesteak. Name this dish. Hot dog, you're on fire. Coleslaw. Any guess? Nachos. Pecan pie. Burritos. Sloppy Joe. Can you name this food? Omelet. California roll. Pasta Bolognese. Guess this dish. Mozzarella sticks, correct answer. Chicken nuggets. Gazpacho. Name this dish. Avocado toast, well done. Milkshake. Apple pie, correct answer. Caesar salad, correct again. Guess this dish. Croissant. What dish is this? Pepperoni pizza. Buffalo wings, correct again. Guess this dish. Deviled eggs. Pumpkin pie. BLT sandwich. Guess the food. Churros. Chicago-style deep dish pizza.
Guess the food.
Hamburger. Next round. Fried chicken. Wraps. What dish is this? PBJ sandwich. Tacos. Egg tart. Any guess? Eggs and bacon. Correct again. S'mores. Cupcakes. Paella. Name this dish. Cobb salad. Correct answer. Guess the food. Meatballs. Name this dish. Cornbread. Correct answer. Name this dish. Chili. Well done. Eggs Benedict. What's your guess? Onion rings. Lasagna. You're on fire. Name this dish. Waffles. Bruschetta. Cheeseburger. You're on fire. Name this dish. Grilled cheese sandwich. French toast. Ribs. Next round. French fries. Hummus. Well done. Naan. Correct again. What's your guess? Chili dog. Can you name this food? Meatloaf. Well done. Can you name this food? Pasta carbonara. Guess this dish. Pulled pork. That's right. Miso soup. Good job. Name this dish. Gnocchi. Biscuits and gravy. Name this dish. Crepe. Correct again. What food is this? Dumplings. Cinnamon rolls. Edamame. Next food. Pancakes. Guess the food. Reuben sandwich. Next round. Sushi. Try to guess this one. Home fries. Cheesecake. Hash browns. Can you name this food? Bagel. Next food. Tater tots. What's your guess? Lobster roll. Corn dog. Guacamole. Ramen. Can you name this food? Ravioli. Macarons. Next food. Spring rolls. That's right. What's your guess? Ratatouille. What dish is this? Mac and cheese. Poutine. Falafel. Pesto pasta. What's your guess? Couscous. What dish is this? Wontons. Good job. Pho. Quesadillas. Gyoza. Samosas. Good job. What food is this? Mashed potatoes. Corn nuts. Steak. Good job. Pad Thai. Guess the food. Donuts. Sashimi. What's your guess? Popcorn. You're on fire. Next food. Greek salad. Hawaiian pizza. Next round. Waffle fries. Pretzels. Thank you for watching the video. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.